What if every employee in your organization had access to their own dedicated corporate trainer, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year? Introducing Zabeel AI Corporate Trainer, a revolutionary AI-powered solution that gives every organization, every department, and every employee their own dedicated AI training assistant. Available every minute, every hour, every day. We take your company's training manuals, your course materials, your policies and procedures, and transform them into a fully interactive, subject-specific AI corporate trainer. Every department gets its own dedicated AI trainer, customized entirely to your organization's content. Not generic training from the internet, not standard off-the-shelf courses. Your content, your standards, your culture. For employees, this means 24/7 dedicated AI trainer. Ask any question, anytime, and get a full detailed answer instantly. Company-specific guidance. Every answer based on your exact training materials and company standards. Interactive learning. Step-by-step explanations, skill building, and guided understanding. Assessments and certifications. AI generates tests, evaluates performance, and issues certificates. Learn at your own pace. No waiting for scheduled training sessions ever again. For your training and HR teams, your training content comes alive, transformed into an interactive AI learning companion. Employees arrive better prepared, with knowledge gaps already addressed. Monitor employee learning and performance in real time. More time for strategic training initiatives. Let the AI handle repetitive queries. Every employee gets equal training attention. No one is ever left behind. For management and administrators, complete visibility across all departments, teams, and employee performance. Compliance and certification tracking with full audit trails. Reduce training costs significantly. No more expensive external trainers for every session. Position your organization as a leader in AI-powered corporate development. Every organization is unique. Every industry is different. That is why Zabeel AI Corporate Trainer is fully customized, department by department, role by role, specifically for your organization. One-time implementation, zero disruption, immediate impact. Brought to you by Zabeel International, experts in education and corporate training for over 35 years. We understand businesses, we understand employees, and we understand what it takes to build a high-performing organization. Transform your corporate training today. Give every employee their own dedicated AI trainer, available every minute for every question across every department. Partner with Zabeel and lead the future of corporate excellence. Zabeel AI Corporate Trainer, every employee, every department, every day.